our YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite girl, Mary J. Black. And Miss Muhammad in the building, babies. So guys, on today's topic, actually we were having a soft glam makeup on Miss Muhammad. Do you guys miss Miss Muhammad? Just tell me the truth, because it's been a long time. There's no any update about makeup on Miss Muhammad's face.
Yeah. Actually, I'm so excited today. I know it's the best makeup artist, not a worst makeup artist. So I'm so excited to have this makeup on.
And Miss Mama, why do you hate me having a worst makeup on your face?
No, they are so rough, one. And secondly, their makeup skills is not hygienic. Thirdly, the way they do their makeup, no. I don't just fancy their
but the truth is, if you all can remember, Miss Muhammad said this, that if there's anything she likes featuring is a worst reviewed makeup artist. That was what you said a very long time ago.
Not now.
And why now?
No, not now. Their makeup skills is so bad. I don't like their makeup skills. So you guys should please stay tuned for this transformation. I know it's gonna be late.
So actually, today's makeup will be a soft glam makeup, but definitely you all know that I will be coming back with the worst review. Worst, and nothing but the worst reviewed makeup artist. And nothing but the worst reviewed makeup artist in my city. But on today's topic actually is all about soft glam makeup on Miss Muhammad. So you all should please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and at the same time don't forget to subscribe to Miss Muhammad's YouTube channel.
Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to show us some love.
Yeah guys, it's still your favorite girl, Mary J. Black, and Miss Muhammad in the building, babies.
did several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Run and go still every time, whatever it is.